So I'm back with the 1997 Ford Explorer. It's got the 5.0 liter V8, and I was told I need to change out the vapor canister. It's the purge valve solenoid. Here's the part I was given. They said they need this replaced. It does throw up codes for a small and large leak, so I figured I would take this opportunity to try out my Auto Tool smoke leak detector. There's a number on that one. It varies price for, you know, wherever you want to purchase it from. I got this off Amazon, seemed to be the best price, but they're not cheap. It's not something you're going to want to purchase just for a single use thing. But anyways, I figure it'd be a good time to try this thing out live. So before I replace that part, I want to see where is it leaking at. It comes with a bunch of different attachments, such as this one. This thing, it's got an attachment for replace your gas cap, so you can see if there's any leaks from there. But since we're going to be working up here for right now, find this hose right here. It's just held on by one of those push clips. And what I'm going to do is show you how this works. So runs just off your battery. Looks like a pair of jumper cables. Hook up your positive. Hook up your negative, and it's going to turn on. It's not pumping smoke. It's just running at the moment. And it comes with this extremely long cable with, like I said, tons of different fittings. So what I'm going to do is turn it on. Here we go. You get smoke that fast. Runs off of baby oil. Smells pretty good. It's not too bad. So now to figure out where this leak is, we're going to go ahead and just plug this into here. And instantly we see smoke. So I'll go ahead and take this out. Turn off the smoke maker. So now we know it's definitely coming from underneath there. So we're going to go ahead and this purge solenoid's underneath the battery and the battery tray, so we're going to go ahead and tear this down and start on back there. So I went ahead and removed the battery. Can leave it down there because we will need it to run my smoke machine again. But to remove this battery tray, it has two extremely long 13mm bolts. You're going to have one back here and then one over there. Once you take those out, you're going to need to get out get that on there, tuck that back away. Now we're going to run that smoke test again. And that's where we find entire line cracked in half, leading down to the purge solenoid itself. And there it is right at the corner. It's held in by two 10mm nuts and obviously the two hoses. Alright, I'll go ahead and take off the wire connector right here. Get this tucked in out of the way. It's already missing a 10mm nut, so that's awesome. It's not really held in there really good right now. So I see two hoses. We obviously know the hose leading here is already bad. I'll get the glove off so I can feel. So while I got it out of the vehicle, to get these out, it's really easy, theoretically. Pinch these two knobs, or these little tabs, and pull it out. Definitely need 2 hands for that. See how dry rotted it is. They don't make these hoses anymore. You can see where it's completely spliced. Yeah, they don't make these hoses anymore. It's discontinued everywhere, even from the Ford parts store, but you can buy them for like $41 on Amazon. We're just gonna have to cut and take these 2 connectors off and move it to the new hose once it comes in. And yeah, that's about it. Like I said, it's just 2 10mm nuts down there to remove that canister, that solenoid.